Hi everyone, Linda here from Exclusively Holistic. Today I want to talk about the herb parsley. Do you use parsley just as a garnish or do you add it to your meals? It contains vitamins and minerals which can provide health benefits. After you listen to this video, you may want to use it more often or even grow your own. It's not difficult to grow parsley. Here's a picture of part of my herb garden, where I grow parsley, chives, thyme, rosemary and oregano. If you want to start growing parsley, then all you have to do is to prepare the dirt, sprinkle the parsley seeds, cover them lightly with dirt and water. I like to use blood meal as a good source for nitrogen. It turns parsley leaves dark green and the parsley grows better. In order to have fresh parsley all year round, I mince it and freeze it. Parsley is a small leafy herb native to the European region and it is low in calories. Parsley contains health beneficial volatile oils. One of them is eugenol, which has been used in dentistry as an antiseptic agent for teeth and gum disease. Moreover, parsley is a source of minerals such as magnesium and calcium. If they are in balance in the body, they support healthy blood sugar levels. Parsley also contains potassium, which is an electrolyte and helps to maintain a balance of electrical charges between the inside and the outside of cells. I have a video on electrolytes in my channel. Check it out. It will help you to stay hydrated during the summer months, especially during the summer months. Potassium also helps control heart rate and blood pressure by offsetting sodium effects. Parsley contains iron and helps with the production of heme. Heme transports oxygen to the cells, which you know is important for cell function, and supports thyroid hormone production. If you are low in iron, you can get really tired and have low thyroid hormone levels. Parsley contains manganese, which is a cofactor for the antioxidant enzyme superoxide dismutase, or SOD for short. SOD enzyme is found in almost all living cells. Parsley contains vitamin A, C, E and beta-carotene. Also, parsley contains folate, which is vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 folate helps the body to generate and repair DNA. Utilize vitamin B12. Prevent anemia by generating red blood cells, improves immune function and digestion, helps to reduce homocysteine by metabolizing it into amino acids. Homocysteine is being used in the formation of glutathione, which is the major antioxidant in our body. B9 prevents neural tube defects in fetuses and helps prevent spina bifida and improves healthy sperm count. Vitamin B12 and 9 need to be in balance. Parsley as a fresh herb contains vitamin B5, B2 known as riboflavin and niacin, B6 and B1. Those vitamins are important to the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Parsley contains volatile oil myristicin, which has been shown to activate the enzyme glutathione S-transferase. This enzyme helps attach the molecule glutathione to oxidized molecules, basically to fight free radicals. Glutathione is a major antioxidant that our body produces with the help of cofactors. Glutathione is a redox molecule. It undergoes a cycle of oxidation and reduction. That means that when it is used up, it can generate itself again, given the fact that it has the material it needs, such as manganese. So let's eat some parsley. It can be added to green salads. I like to use lemon juice, avocado oil, salt, paprika, chives, parsley for the vinaigrette. Carrots and parsley is a very good combination. Whenever I cook carrots or carrot soup, carrot salad, I add finely minced parsley. Parsley can be added to fish, although we have to be conscious about the radioactive contamination and need to do our research about the consumption of fish. Soups, I like to add parsley to vegetable soups, carrot soups, as I mentioned already. Tomato sauce. My favorite recipe for tomato sauce is sauteing minced garlic in some olive oil and diced tomatoes, fresh if I have some bone broth, which I always have available. As spices, I use salt, freshly ground black pepper, and after the sauce simmered for a while, I add parsley right before I serve the meal. Hamburger. I like to add finely minced onions, fresh minced parsley, black pepper, salt, freshly ground nutmeg, and paprika to the ground meat. Potato salad, a German favorite of mine. Parsley used in potato salad not only tastes good, but also looks very appealing. And we all know that digestion starts in the brain. So looking at a delicious meal starts the digestion process. Quinoa by itself hardly has any flavor, so whatever you add to it while cooking will make it taste much better. I like to add turmeric, which also gives it a nice yellow color, and add freshly minced parsley right before I serve. You can cook it in chicken broth or bone broth. For rice, I only use parsley as a garnish, so to speak. I add some minced parsley and mix it under. It looks good and smells great. I would love to hear from you how you use parsley. Do you add it to vegetables or meats? Do you grow your own? Comment below please and let me know. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Take care and start planting and playing in the dirt.